Hey there, tech-savvy friends. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your online life easier. Today, we're diving into how to load money onto your Amazon Prime account in 2025. With Amazon's updates, managing your account balance has never been simpler, whether you're funding shopping sprees or keeping your Prime subscription topped up. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Amazon account on the website or app. If you don't have one, sign up quickly. It's free and takes just a minute. Once you're in, head over to the Account and List section in the top right corner. This is your hub for all things personal on Amazon. Next, scroll down and click on Gift Cards and top up your account. Here, you'll see options to add funds directly. Select Reload Your Balance. This is the key feature for 2025, making it seamless to add money from your bank or credit card. Enter the amount you want to load. Amazon allows increments as low as $10, so you can add just what you need without overdoing it. Now, choose your payment method. Options include debit cards, credit cards, or even PayPal for added convenience. Double-check the details to avoid any errors, then hit Confirm. You'll get an instant confirmation, and the funds should appear in your account balance right away. One cool update for 2025 is the integration with digital wallets, so if you're using Apple Pay or Google Pay, that might be an option too. Super handy for quick top-ups on the go. Remember, this balance can be used for anything on Amazon, including Prime Video rentals or exclusive deals. Before we wrap up, a quick tip. Keep an eye on any promotional offers when adding funds. Amazon often has bonuses for new loads. That's it for today's guide. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more how-to videos, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.